Zimbabwean opposition leader Advocate NELSONCHAMISA has announced the formation of a new political entity, signaling a fresh chapter in the country's political landscape. Sanabina mashoko atona kuti aiwa yava eshoko kune vakomana ve the regime vachinzwa kuti NELSONCHAMISA auya nekamwe threat, aiwa ne threat hombe inoonekwa kunzi aiwa ndo inozikanwa kuti ndo inopedzera the ruling party ZANU-PF. Not about subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timina pana pamzimba anomdanyora chiti this development follows the disbandment of his previous political groupings, MDC Alliance and the Citizen Coalition for Change, which were undermined by orchestrated actions from the ruling party ZANU-PF. Chamisa, a prominent figure in Zimbabwean politics, has been the subject of increasing pressure from the ruling party. The disbanding of his political entities, particularly in face of ZANU-PF's alleged strategies to suppress opposition, prompted Chamisa to take a bold step forward. In an energetic address on Tuesday, Chamisa expressed enthusiasm over the new formation, suggesting it would bring significant change. He stated, "I am excited for the new to be born or kick in. The past must pass away and die. Now it's happening." The statement signifies Chamisa's resolve to move beyond past struggles and embrace a future where his new formation can flourish. Despite the challenges, Chamisa's call for transformation and unity within the opposition is clear. His words reflect his desire to rebuild and create a political force capable of challenging the status quo and offering an alternative to ZANU-PF's decades-long dominance. Thomas panoonekwa kunzi aiwa advocate NELSONCHAMISA vobura zvinyuwani vakuda kuuya panapa vachifoma the new great Zimbabwe. Zvatiri kuona kuti the regime yava kuthreateniwa manje vachiona advocate NELSONCHAMISA vachahinda for a new political party. Tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section yedu aiwa, so subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.